Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about honesty. Sometimes it is so hard to be honest in life, but with that hardship comes the happiness. Sooner or later, honesty pays us, and fruit of honesty is always sweet. Moreover, we feel happy ourselves. Let me explain this with a story. Long ago, there was a kingdom. The king of that kingdom was a very good person, but he had no child. He wanted to adopt a capable child so that he would become his inheritor and continued his kingdom. In view of this, the king made a declaration in the state to gather all the children in the palace, and the same happened. The king gave different seats to all the children and said, "We will meet after 6 months now and see whose plant will be the best." Months passed. There was a child in whose pot the seed hadn't yet been sprung, but he kept taking care of it, and he used to water the plant daily. 3 months passed. On seeing it, the child got stressed. Then his mother said, "Have patience. Some seeds take more time to spread." He kept on watering the plant. 6 months passed. It was time to go to the king, but he was scared that there would be plants in all the children's pot and his pot would be empty. But the boy was honest. All the children had come to the palace. Some children were full of enthusiasm because they had strong desire of becoming the hero of the kingdom. Now the king ordered the children to show their respective pots. But that boy was scared because his pot was empty. Then the king looked at his pot and asked, "Your pot is empty." He said, "But I had taken care of this pot for 6 months." The king was happy with his honesty, that his pot was empty, still he courage to come here. Having seen all the pots, the king called that boy in front of all. The child was afraid, and the king showed his pot to everyone. All the children started laughing. The king said, "Keep silence. Don't be so happy. All the seeds I gave you were barren. No matter how much hard work you had done, nothing would have come out of them. All of you changed the seed, but this was the real seed." The king was so happy with his honesty, and the king made that boy the inheritor of the kingdom. But what did we learn from this story? If we are sincere with ourselves, we will become successful somehow. But if we make fool of ourselves, we lose. We should always be honest with others as well as with ourselves. Success doesn't come by cheating in life. And if you are honest in life, you also don't have to be afraid of anything. Cheating makes you a coward.